12th Science, Chapter 13, Amines, Methods of Preparation and Chemical Reactions. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. In this video, we will discuss about amines, methods of preparation of amines and their chemical reactions. Amines are nothing but they are the derivatives of ammonia. In ammonia, a lone pair is present on nitrogen. The structure of amines is trigonal bipyramidal. It is a distorted geometry which arises due to lone pair bonded pair repulsion. All the three hydrogen atoms present in ammonia are replaceable hydrogens. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by an alkyl or aryl group, we get primary amine RNH2. When two hydrogen atoms are replaced by an alkyl or aryl group, we get secondary amine. And when all the three alkyl hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl group, we get tertiary amine. Further also, we can classify the amines into simple amines and mixed amines. When the alkyl or aryl groups present are same groups, then we call those amines as simple amines. And when the groups present are different, we call them as mixed amines. Methods of preparation of amines. Amines can be prepared by a number of ways. The first one is reduction of nitro compounds. Alkyl or aryl nitro compounds can be reduced to amines in presence of common reducing agents. Nitrobenzene on treating with hydrogen in presence of platinum, palladium or nickel in presence of ethanol gives aniline. Nitro compound can also be reduced to aniline by treating with Sn plus HCl or Fe plus HCl. The reduction of these nitro compounds with scrap iron and HCl is preferred more because FeCl2 form gets hydrolyzed to release HCl during the reaction. Thus, a small amount of HCl is required to initiate the reaction. Reduction of nitriles can also produce amines. RCN in presence of common reducing agents like hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium or lithium aluminium hydride or sodium amalgam in presence of ethanol. Any of the reducing agent can be used to reduce nitriles to amine. The third one is reduction of amides. Amides in presence of lithium aluminium hydride forms amines. Next method of preparation of amines is by ammonolysis. Ammonolysis is the process of cleavage of carbon halogen bond by ammonia molecule. RX, haloalkane, reacts with ammonia nucleophile. So this negative side is going to attack the positive side. It will result in the formation of substituted ammonium salt RNH3 plus X minus. This substituted ammonium salt further reacts with NaOH to form 1 degree amine RNH2. RNH2 reacts with alkyl halide till all the replaceable hydrogens are removed. So it gives a mixture of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and 4 degree amines. This is the disadvantage of ammonolysis. However, 1 degree amine here is obtained as a major product. Next method of preparation of amine is by Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. Thalamide, this is the structure of closed ring structure of thalamide. Benzene ring C double bond O, NH C double bond O. When thalamide is treated with KOH, it forms potassium salt of thalamide. This potassium salt of thalamide reacts with alkyl halide to form N-alkyl thalamide. This K and X is going to form KX and R will attach here. So N-alkyl thalamide. This N-alkyl thalamide reacts with aqueous alkali to form sodium salt and 1 degree amine. Keep in mind that aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method. We can only prepare aliphatic amines. We cannot prepare aromatic amines by this method. Why? Because aryl halide, if we are taking an aromatic group here, cannot react with the anion which is being formed by this thalamide. So these aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction here with the anion formed by thalamide. Next method is Huffman-bromamide degradation reaction. It is given by only 1 degree amines. Only 1 degree amines give this reaction. In this reaction, you will notice that we get the amine with 1 carbon atom less than the amide. Amide is reacted with bromine in presence of NaOH to form amine, which is 1 carbon atom less than the amide, plus Na2CO3 plus NaBr plus water. Chemical reactions of amines. Amines undergo alkylation. Amines react with alkyl halide to form alkyl amines. You can see till there is presence of replaceable hydrogen, it reacts with alkyl halide to give 2 degree, 3 degree amine, and we also get 4 degree amine. Next one is acylation. Aliphatic and aromatic 1 degree and 2 degree amines react with acid chlorides, anhydrides and esters by nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction is known as acylation. Amine reacts with acyl halide. Amines react with acid anhydride. Now, when amines react with benzoyl chloride, then the acylation reaction is known as benzylation. Next one is carbyl-amine reaction. This reaction is a test for 1 degree amines. Both aliphatic and aromatic amines on heating with chloroform and ethanolic KOH forms isocyanide, or we can call this as carbyl-amines, which is very foul smelling. So we can readily distinguish 1 degree amine from 2 degree and 3 degree using carbyl-amine reaction. Next is reaction with nitrous acid. Aromatic 1 degree amine readily reacts with HNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degree Celsius to form stable benzene diazonium salt, which on hydrolysis gives phenol. However, 1 degree aliphatic amine reacts with nitrous acid to form unstable aliphatic diazonium salt, which liberates nitrogen gas and alcohol on hydrolysis. 2 degree and 3 degree amines react in a different manner that we will be studying in higher classes. Next reaction of amine is reaction with Hinsberg's reagent. Benzyl sulfonyl chloride is known as Hinsberg's reagent. It is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. So basically it is a test to distinguish between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene is double bond O Cl. Now how we will distinguish between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine? Hinsberg's reagent, when it reacts with 1 degree amine, it forms precipitate which are soluble in alkali. Now you can see this is Hinsberg reagent, this is 1 degree amine. So this HCl will go and they will combine to form the product. This product is soluble in alkali. Similarly, if we take a 2 degree amine, this HCl is going to go and it is going to form a product which is insoluble in alkali. 3 degree amine do not react with Hinsberg reagent because you can see there is no hydrogen to combine with chlorine and form product. Nowadays, benzyl sulfonyl chloride, that is Hinsberg reagent, is replaced by para-toluene sulfonyl chloride. A very important 1 mark question. Electrophilic substitution reaction. NH2 group is ortho para-directing group and a strong activating group. When we carry out electrophilic substitution reaction, it gives ortho and para di-substituted products due to presence of high electron density at ortho and para positions. However, it is difficult to get mono-substituted aniline derivatives because the aromatic amines, they are highly reactive. Hence, if we want mono-substituted aniline derivatives, we have to protect this NH2 group by acetylation followed by substitution and then hydrolysis. For example, you can see this is aniline. We are reacting with acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine. We are carrying out acetylation to protect this NH2 group so that they do not undergo any reaction. Now we are carrying out the substitution. So ortho and para are product are obtained, out of which para product is the major product, followed by hydrolysis. Now this group which was being protected, we get back this NH2 group to get mono-substituted aniline derivative. Some of the electrophilic substitution reaction of amines are aromatic amine, 1 degree amine, undergoes nitration to give mixture of ortho, meta and para products. It undergoes sulfonation to form anilinium. This is anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which at 453 to 473 Kelvin temperature gives sulfonilic proton. The hydrogen can shift here and the charges get developed. This is known as Zwitter ion. Take a note that aniline do not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acetylation due to salt formation with AlCl3. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid and aniline is a base. So acid and base, they react to form salt. That is why aniline do not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acetylation. Let us discuss about the basic nature of amines. Amines are basic in nature due to presence of lone pair on nitrogen atom of NH2 group. Aliphatic amines, that is alkyl amines, are stronger bases than ammonia. What is the reason behind it? It is due to positive inductive effect of the electron releasing alkyl groups. As we know that alkyl groups are electron releasing groups. So it increases the electron density on nitrogen atom, and due to this aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia. The basic nature of aliphatic or alkyl amines increases with increase in the number of alkyl groups. Let us take a note of some important points. The order of basicity of amines in gaseous phase is 3 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 1 degree, greater than ammonia. The trend is not regular in the aqueous state as it depends upon both the electron releasing effect of the alkyl group and the solvation with the water molecule. So the decreasing order of solvation of amines in water, that means in aqueous state, is irregular, and the decreasing order is 1 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 3 degree. This indicates that 1 degree alkyl amines are most soluble, whereas 3 degree alkyl amines are least soluble. Greater is the size of the ion, lesser will be the solvation of ions, and less is the stability of the ions. Now the order of basic strength in case of methyl substituted and ethyl substituted amines in aqueous solution is different. First of all, the order of basic strength of ethyl substituted amines in aqueous solution is, you will notice here that 2 degree ethyl substituted amine is greater than 3 degree, is greater than 1 degree, is greater than ammonia. However, for methyl substituted amine, the trend changes. You will notice that 2 degree methyl substituted amine is greater than 1 degree, is greater than 3 degree, is greater than ammonia. So basically lower is the pKb values, stronger is the base. Now aromatic amines or aryl amines are weaker bases than ammonia. It is due to negative inductive effect of electron withdrawing aryl group, which decreases the electron density on nitrogen atom. Aniline is less basic than ethyl amine because the NH2 group in aniline is attached directly to benzene ring, which is electron withdrawing group, and thus it makes electron pair less available for protonation. It is also resonance stabilized. In case of substituted aniline, it is observed that electron releasing or donating groups like alkyl group, methoxy group, etc. increases the basic strength, whereas electron withdrawing groups like NO2, CN, halogen, carboxyl group, SO3H, etc. decreases the basic strength. For example, benzylamine is more basic than aniline. Here are some of the physical properties of amines. Lower amines are gases with fishy smell, whereas higher amines are solids. Aniline and aryl amines are usually colorless but get colored on storage due to atmospheric oxidation. Lower amines are water soluble. We can say lower aliphatic amines are water soluble and solubility decreases with increase in the molar mass of the amines. Lower aliphatic amines, they are water soluble as they can readily form hydrogen bonds with water, and as the molar mass increases, the hydrophobic alkyl part is unable to get dissolved in water. The order of boiling point of isomeric amines is as follows. 1 degree amine greater than 2 degree is greater than 3 degree. And this is due to hydrogen bonding. The intermolecular association is more in case of 1 degree amine as compared to 2 degree. And 3 degree amines do not have this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So that is why they readily boil. Their boiling point is very, very less. Take a note that boiling point of amines, alcohols and alkanes of almost same molar mass are alcohol greater than 1 degree amine, greater than 2 degree amine, greater than 3 degree amine, greater than alkanes. This means that alcohols have maximum boiling point, whereas alkanes have least boiling point.